A very good morning to all my little ones. How are you all children today? Fit and fine? I am your Goldie ma'am. Children, welcome to the numeracy space. Children, in the previous sessions of numeracy space, you have already learned numbers in order and recognition of numbers 1 to 10. And you also know counting of objects till number 10. Children, in today's session, we will be revising counting of objects in a playful manner through various activities and exercises. But before that, children, let's do revision of numbers 1 to 10 through this number song. Ready, children? 1, 2, I go to school. 1, 2, I go to school. 3, 4, I play outdoor. 3, 4, I play outdoor. 5, 6, I read my books. 5, 6, I read my books. 7, 8, I'm never late. 7, 8, I'm never late. 9, 10, I sleep by then. 9, 10, I sleep by then. Children, excited to do various activities of counting? So let's get started. Ready, children? Now let's do an interesting activity of counting. Children, here I have flashcards with pictures of objects on it and numbers written here. You have to count the objects and then put the bangle on the appropriate number. See, I have bangles for you. So, let's start. We will first count the candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, there are 7 candles. Is this number 7, children? No. Is this number 7? No. This is number 9. Is this number 7? Yes. So, we will put the bangle on number 7. Now, let's count flowers. Let's begin. 1, 2. How many flowers are there, children? 2 flowers. So, we have to find your number 2. Is this number 2? No. Which number is this? Number 4. Which number is this? 3. This number is 2. So, where will we put the bangle? On number 2. Because there are 2 flowers. Now, we will count, children, butterflies. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many butterflies are there? 8. Now we will find the number 8. Which number is this? 5. Shall we put here? No. Which number is this? 8. So, how many butterflies were there? 8. So, we will put the bangle on number 8. Now, we will count Xmas trees, children. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3. How many Christmas trees are there? 3. So, we will put the bangle on number 3. Is this number 3, children? No. Which number is this? 2. Which number is this, children? 3? No. It is 8 number. Is this number 3? Yes. So we will put the bangle on number 3. Enjoy, children, counting various objects. Bored of sitting at one place, children? So get up and let's revise counting with the help of this rhyme. Ready, children? So let's begin. How many fingers on one hand? How many fingers on one hand? Let us count together. Let us count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us count together. How many fingers on two hands? How many fingers on two hands? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers on two hands? 10 fingers on two hands. Let us count together. Children, I have for you plates, few spoons and forks, and flashcards of numbers written on them. What you have to do, you have to keep in the plate spoons or forks as per the number which is kept near the plate. So let's first recognize the number. Which number is this? Number 3. ये कौन सा नंबर है बच्चों? Number 8. And which number is this? Number 5. चलिए, we will start an activity. Here which number is this? 3. So how many spoons or forks will keep? 3. Let's start the counting. 1, 2, 3. Shall I keep this, children? Yes or no? No. Because the number is 3. So I will stop at number 3. Now which number is this? 8. Let's start the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We will stop at number 8. Now which number is this? 5. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shall I count this, children? No, because we have to stop at number 5. Enjoy, children, counting of objects in a playful manner. Now, children, we will do an exercise in our maths notebook. Now, children, we will do an exercise in the maths notebook. What is today's date, children? 28/9-2020. That is 28th September 2020. The heading is Draw as per the number 1 to 10. For this, children, you have to tell your mama to prepare the page like this in your maths notebook. Let's first recognize the numbers. Which number is this, children? Number 5. This is number 2. Which number is this? Number 8. Which number is this? 1, 0, 10. And which number is this? Number 7. Children, in this the number is given and you have to draw the objects as per the number given. जो नंबर दिया है बच्चों उतने ही ऑब्जेक्ट्स हमें इस स्क्वायर में बनाने हैं. तो which number is this children? 5. We will be drawing today circles. Here you don't have to draw because I have put dash. We will start from here. And in one square you will draw only one object. Which number is this children? Number 5. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to stop when this number comes. Now which number is this children? 2. So how many circles we will draw? 2. Let's begin. 1, 2. Now which number is this? 8. So we will draw how many circles children? 8. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 8 has come, so we have to stop here. Which number is this children? 1, 0, 10. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Now which number is this children? 7. We will not draw here because I have put dash and one circle in one square children. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Shall I stop? Yes. Very good children. Now children, it's worksheet time. So I will explain you the worksheet. Children, in this worksheet we have to count the objects and write the numbers. Here we are given various shapes. And children, if we are given some pictures and we are asked to count, I will show you today how we can count them easily. What are these children? Circles. So let's count the circles. Count with your ma'am children. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many circles are there children? 4. So which number we will write here? 4. Number 4. Whenever you write the number, touch the bottom line children. Children, whenever we are given the pictures and asked to count, we will cut the pictures like this so that we don't count them again. Children, in this way you will count different shapes and complete the worksheet. I hope children you must have enjoyed today's session of counting. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.